Perhaps every martial arts enthusiast holds a dream of heroes and epic duels. And today I come to Quanzhou, one of the legendary sites of South Shaolin Temple, to attend a grand martial arts competition at the Wulin Assembly. And I've been told that this year's competitors are quite special. Let's go and check out. Wow, this Wulin Assembly is truly filled with top martial artists. Every move in these breathtaking duels not only showcases the unique allure of Chinese martial arts, but also embodies the dedication and passion these competitors have for this ancient art.
If you want just fight, so Kung Fu is not for you.
Oh, it's a way of life. I thought it was magic at first. I thought it was just, it's just amazing. Concentration and I know that level of human potential you can reach.
I think it's all, kind of holistic, where you have to work out your mind, your breathing and your body together.
Even in martial arts, there's this emphasis on tolerance.
There's a lot of depth to Kung Fu, and you can just dig and dig and dig and dig. You always find something.
At the end of it, I think it's related to spiritual cultivation, and I think it's supposed to help us on that journey, to get to know oneself.
Because I travel here, then I'm able to be exposed to the Chinese culture. I can see how much this art is part of the life in Quanzhou.
With the major part of Chinese culture, and I'm really proud to be part of it.
Remember, Fujian Wu Tu Chen, not just non-Shaolin. Yeah, so it's Fujian, and therefore I'm happy to share it because I'm also happy to share the Fujian culture, which I think is a very wonderful culture.
I wanted to do something that was related to my background, my culture.
I mean, Kung Fu is Chinese, so it's just, it all comes from China. It's the history, the culture, the people.
Martial arts have transcended borders, becoming a universal language. Practitioners from around the world have gathered here to exchange skills and carry forward the legacy of Chinese martial arts. Thank you for joining me on this martial arts celebration. See you next time!